Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shally, and in today's video I will be sharing cute messy bun hairstyle for you all. So let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, first of all you have to make a ponytail using your hand like this. Make a rough ponytail with your hand. Don't use comb. On the top of your head like this. And secure it with the rubber. Like this. या आगे से ऐसे आप थोड़े अपने बाल को आगे कर लो ताकि वो थोड़ा मैसी लगे. And take your pony, roll it like this. And do it like this, as you can see this. Then take a rubber band and secure it. Then do it like this. इसको हाथ से थोड़ा ऐसे मैसी सा बनाएंगे. And yeah, it's done. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Do follow for more. Bye bye.